In this video from FFX, we'll show you why you need a planer thicknesser. If you regularly work with timber, then owning a planer thicknesser is a worthwhile addition to your kit, and we'll explain why. The machine planes and smooths large pieces of timber to the exact size you need for a project. And this is ideal when working with dozens of pieces of wood that all need to be the same size, and it's especially useful when jobs require joints to be exactly 90 degrees. By using the depth stop on the machine, you set the size of timber you require. Then, by incrementally adjusting the turn wheel, you plane and smooth the timber in a series of passes through the machine. It's important to incrementally increase the depth of the cut rather than go for the full cut in one pass. This prevents snagging and sniping and damage to the blades. Owning a planer thicknesser will be a cost saver for you in the long run. It allows you to save money by buying rough cut timber and planing it to size yourself. And it also allows you to rectify any irregularities in pre-planed timber.